Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to make smoked pork sirloin. The first thing you want to do is get your sirloin. You want to bring it up to room temperature. So you want to let it rest up first. And of course, once it's at room temperature, you want to rub it with a binder agent. Now we're using mustard here, but I'm sure you use almost anything. It's just to help the rub that we're using here. Now, of course, you use any rub you want. It's up to you. We're just using this little pre-mixed one. Just try it out, see if it's any good. I just want to make sure it's nice and even coated as much as possible. And using a one-hand method is usually better, so you don't get everything all messy. But Now what you want to do here is we're going to be smoking it about 1.5 hours per pound, and this is like 2 to 3 pounds. Ain't that big, so we'll be doing 5 hours in total smoking. And of course, when it's 1.5 hours left to smoke, you want to wrap it in aluminum foil like we did here. And you see that looks pretty good. It shrunk a whole lot too. It was not a very big piece of meat. I think we should have probably done it a few hours longer, as you see in a minute. Or a second, not a minute. That's a little too long. It's not falling apart exactly super easily, but it is. And the pink smoke ring isn't all that deep yet, but hey, it is still pretty good smoked pork, especially for our first attempt. You see, it looks pretty good. It tastes pretty good too. Now, I do hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoyed the food. Thank you for watching.